So the purpose of today's event is really just to break it down for those companies that are interested in applying but may be slightly hesitant. So we really want to just give people some top tips, tell them more about it. It's great that we've got three previous winners here today just to talk about the impact and the benefits of winning. Having the royal emblem for 5 years that you can use on your packaging, your stationery, on your social media, it really does project your business onto the global stage.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. My name is Anne Beggs and I'm Director of Trade and Investment at InvestNI. I'm really delighted to welcome you all here this morning to such wonderful surroundings at Malone House here and in such wonderful kind of weather. This is still one of the first few events we've been able to have in person. The novelty definitely hasn't worn off, so it's great to have you all here in the room. In my role as Director of Trade and Investment, day in, day out, I hear from our teams here in Northern Ireland and across our overseas network about fantastic trade wins by businesses from Northern Ireland and their successes around the world with world-class innovative products and services. I'm also privileged to represent InvestNI on the judging panel for the Queen's Awards for the International Trade category, and I know a number of my colleagues from InvestNI on the R&D side have also been privileged to do so on the innovation category as well. As a judge, you get to see the sheer variety of businesses applying for a Queen's Award across a wide range of sectors, selling to a diverse mix of markets around the world. But I have to admit, when I'm reviewing the applications every year, I'm a bit disappointed and frustrated that there aren't more from Northern Ireland. I know with my day job hat on that we have fantastic businesses doing great things around the world that could really tell such compelling stories about their growth journeys and their innovations and certainly compete with their peers across the UK. I'm delighted to have such brilliant exemplars of those businesses here in the room today who have done just that, and the winners are here to share their perspectives with you. I'm also hopeful that the companies that haven't yet made an award are going to be inspired as a result of what they hear to do so. So this morning is all about inspiring more businesses from Northern Ireland to explore what a Queen's Award could mean for their business and learn more about making their applications. And that ambition to see more of our companies apply and be recognised through the Queen's Awards is one I share with Minister Lyons, who as Economy Minister has the same pride and passion for the achievements of Northern Irish businesses. And on that note, I'd like to invite the Minister to say a few words.